Ready? Start. This appeal emanates from the judgment dated 28/11/2018 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, whereby a criminal revision against the order dated 13/3/2014 of the Chief Judicial Magistrate Sant Kabir Nagar refusing to discharge the appellant in NCR number 120 of 2012 under sections 504 and 506 of Indian Penal Code 1860 has been turned down. Full stop para. A brief reference to the facts may be necessary for disposal of the present appeal. Full stop. A complaint was lodged with the jurisdictional police by respondent number 2, who claimed to be a newspaper correspondent working for the Pioneer. Full stop. It was alleged that he had conducted a journalistic investigation for malpractices against one gas agency, namely Kalpana Indian Service. Full stop para. He had also applied for certain information under the Right to Information Act 2005 so as to conduct investigation on alleged black marketing of gas cylinders by the aforesaid agency. Full stop. The appellant herein is a partner in the aforesaid gas agency. Full stop. As per the NCR report, it is stated that the appellant, while he was responding to the calls made by respondent number 2, started calling him names and threatened to kill respondent number 2. Full stop. It is alleged that the appellant had threatened respondent number 2 to pump numerous bullets in his face so that he may not even be recognized. Full stop para. On 8/5/2012, the complainant filed an application before the concerned Chief Judicial Magistrate under section 152 subsection 2 CRPC for conducting investigation in the aforesaid allegations. Full stop. The court accordingly directed investigation and ordered the local police to submit the report. Full stop para. It is apparent that there is material change in the statement of the respondent complainant, wherein he introduced Muhammad Sharif Khan and Umesh Kumar Bhatt as witnesses for the call made by the appellant herein. Full stop para. In any case, on 21/7/2012, a charge sheet came to be filed against the appellant accused under sections 504 and 506 IPC based on the statement of complainant and the affidavits of 2 witnesses. Full stop. It may not be out of context to mention here that the investigating officer did not deem it necessary to take the version of the appellant on record or consider his side of story also. Full stop para. The Chief Judicial Magistrate took cognizance of the matter on 8/11/2012. Full stop. However, well before the framing of the charges, the appellant sought his discharge under section 239 CRPC, contending that the complainant has falsely implicated him and the allegation of telephonic threats does not constitute an offence under section 504 and 506 of IPC. Full stop para. It was further averred that the investigation was not fair and was unilateral in its approach, wherein the investigating officer had made no efforts to find out the truth and had instead relied on the statement of the complainant and other planted witnesses to fasten a case against the appellant. Full stop. The learned Chief Judicial Magistrate did not agree with the appellant's plea and rejected his discharge application, observing as under. Full stop para. From perusal of record, it is obvious that no affidavit or any documentary evidence has been filed by the appellant accused in support of his discharge application